So that up-down is replaced with diagonal lines, perpendicular angles. Everything is sort of slant. It's a fascinating. And you have shades in art now, shades and light and color, different shades of darkness. Like how water is illustrated through art is a fascinating phenomenon, because water is a mixture of light and darkness. And how water emerges in art on a two-dimensional surface is when a certain, you see, with darkness and light, it has to be set, the frequency, the shades have to be set at a very specific opacity. So if the darkness is set at a very specific opacity, and the light is set at a very specific opacity, this is what illustrates water, how water, and technically water is always a color, because there's always something that's reflected from a water. So now you know that to illustrate water, you have to get into shades. It's a mixture of light and dark.